Hi there, it's Cathy here at Terrace Honda. Today I'm going to do a quick little how-to for a very lovely lady in Prince Rupert. You know who you are, and I promise I won't mention your name, about her HRV, and she's having a problem with her trying to figure out how to set up her speed dial numbers and also get extra devices off in her HRV. So this would be a 2018 HRV, and hopefully this will help some of you others as time goes on when you have questions on it. So I'm going to turn the screen here. Now the problem wasn't that she already has her phone hooked up, but when you go into your phone, it's going to bring up new entries. You're going to show speed dial. So when you click on one of them, you can actually put in the phone number for whoever it is that you want. Okay, that one's super easy. But the problem was that there was other devices, I think from her grandkids or whatever on there, and she didn't want them on there. You need to actually go into your settings for that, go into Bluetooth, and into Bluetooth device list. Now, see, it just shows mine here, but if you have others in there that you want to get rid of, it's going to show up with them as well. And you will have an option here to delete devices. Super easy, and once you know where to go, you'll be able to do it again whenever you need to. Hopefully that helps, and let me know what else you need a hand with. Leave me a message below. Bye for now.